Hey y'all, welcome back to the kitchen for an episode of What's Cooking with the Bear. Today, we're going south of the border again. We're going to make some chicken burritos. So, sounds good to you? Sit back, relax, grab your favorite beverage, and I'll get to cooking. So, let's do this. Alright y'all, get this delicious recipe going. We got our pan kind of warming up here a little bit. We're going to dump just a little bit of olive oil in there. Kind of get it smoothed around and get it ready. We're going to get that warmed up. Once we're warmed up, we got about a pound and a half of boneless, skinless chicken thighs. So, yeah, that'll be good enough. So, get them on to cook. So, just get them down in there. I'm just going to throw the lid on them. And I've cut them up into nice little bite-sized pieces. So, alright. We're going to let these cook. And once they're mostly done, we'll add some seasoning and be ready to finish the recipe. So, let me get these cooked up and see you guys in a minute. Alright, y'all. We got these things cooking away here, so we're going to go ahead and add our taco seasoning. And I want this to be really taco-y. So we're going to add 2 packs because we got about a pound and a half of the chicken. So yeah, a little extra taco-y. Get them chicken pieces all mixed in there and all coated up, shall we say. Ooh, look at that. That's looking good, good, good. Yumminess, 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 yumminess. So, alright, I'm just make sure all my pieces are not stuck together. We're going to turn the heat down to a medium low. Throw the lid back on it and just let these things simmer for about another 15-20 minutes. So, yeah, let's do that and we'll see you guys in just a second. Alright, y'all. We got our chickens done. So we're going to go ahead and assemble our burrito. And first thing we're going to do is we're going to put some guacamole. We're going to lay the base down. Just get it schmoozed in there. Alright, nice base there. Now, I'm going to take our chicken, throw some chicken in there. A little bit more. Good on that. We got some diced tomatoes here. Throw some diced tomatoes. And we're going to throw some diced onions in there. Now, I just recently learned the proper way to roll a burrito. A friend of mine showed me. You bring your sides in, and then you flip the top piece up. Continue tucking that in there. Make sure you're tucked back in. And then you wrap, and you roll, and you got your burrito. Now, oh, y'all, we forgot a key part. You gotta put some cheese in there too. How y'all could let me forget that? Okay, now fold, tuck, pull, and roll. Okay, now put that one in our pan. We're gonna do 2 of them. So, got our burrito wrap, guacamole. Throw that in there. Our chicken. Now these are oversized wraps. It's because what they had, but that don't make a difference on how you put it together. You just gotta be careful with the smaller wraps that you don't overfill them. You can't roll them. All right. Fold, fold. Pick it up, tuck, tuck. Pull that toppings back in there. Tuck, tuck, and roll. Okay. We got her. Got it going on. Grab me a plate here. I'll move this off the stove so it doesn't get too hot. Ooh, piece of chicken. Yummy. So, okay. Ooh, that's starting to brown. That one's starting to brown. So, all right. Just leave them in the pan till they get done as you want. So, I'm going to shut the camera off. I'm going to brown mine up. We'll come back and do our little taste test. All right, y'all. Look at that. Nice brown burrito. Yummy. Got that one over there. Look at that. That is awesome, y'all. So, all right. Let's do our taste test. All right, y'all. There you go. Got our chicken burrito. I got me a chunk cut off, so it's not so messy eating it, but y'all, that is awesome. I got some sour cream over here. I'm gonna finish it off with a little bit of sour cream, but oh, that chicken, delicious. Those thighs, they cook up so nice and tender. Add the guacamole and the cheese and a little bit of sour cream. Mwah. You know, if you want to put some refried beans in it, that's on you, but I didn't want refried beans with mine today. But you can put any toppings you want it. You know, I got the onions and the tomato. Next ones I may chop up some green onions and put in there too, but fill your burrito with what you want. Chicken is what the base is. So, hope you guys enjoyed it. Hope you're going to try it. Please go down and leave me a comment down below. If you're new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button. Hit that like button. So, appreciate y'all. Love y'all. And as always, bon appetit.